engineer. Welcome back to this channel, Smart Cable Discovered Science. As today I'm going to show you how you can use your home TV screen with Arduino. So I'm going to show you how you can connect this and use your home TV screen as a display. For me, I use this. This is my screen as my press. So as you see, I already connected, and then you see this display. This is a C voltage measurement. So this is my project that I done is using Arduino Mega. So you can use Arduino Uno, you can use a Node MCU or whatever, but our aims for today, I'm going to show you how to connect this and be used as a main project, so you can create at your place and then see the output. So my connection with this, as you see, so I have this component, only few components. This is a voltage sensor, as you see, so it measures a C voltage from this source. Also, I have this Arduino Uno. This is Arduino Mega, so it used as a brain for my control, as a brain for our projects, and as you see, yes, I have also these devices for connecting. So as you see, I connect this with a ground from the Arduino, and I connect this data from this part. So when you disconnect this on the screen, you will see no signals. So let's connect and see the output. When you connect this, you will see the changes, and you see it display the thumbs. So this is voltage is measured from this voltage sensor. So how you can connect this? So let's check. Yes, on this part you'll see only two resistors. So I use this first resistor, and this is a second resistor. So when you connect this, make sure you do a voltage divider. So I do this voltage divider, as you see. So the first leg and the second legs of the resistor, this resistor is connected directly to pin number 11 from the Arduino, and this another resistor is connected directly to this Arduino pin 29. So you can connect this. I will show you how you can connect this. Also, I have this voltage sensor. So this it measures the amount of voltage from the main source. So you see on the display, as you see. Yeah. So when I disconnect this main source from the voltage sensor, we'll see the changes. So it does not measure a required voltage from the sensor. As you see, you will see the voltage is 6.29 voltage, 6.2928. Yes. So when I connect this with a power supply, you'll see the changes and the lead voltage being measured with this. So when I connect this, you will see the voltage is 193 point, yeah, as you see on the display. So this you can use to display a lot of projects. You can do a lot of projects using this TV screen. So let's see the program how you need to have on your Arduino IDE. Yes, and this is just like I give you this simple program for a TV screen output. So when you need to use this, you need to have this library. So you include this TVout library. So if you don't have this library, or you don't know where to get this library, the link will be found on the description. You will see the link to download this program. So all of this I'm going to upload it on a Telegram channel, so you will see this library and you can download it and add into your Arduino IDE. So join into our Telegram channel, the link will be found on the description. So as you see this, I use this instead of liquid crystal spray, so I need to use a TVout screen to be used as a display into my project. So as you see, this is a TV and this is a font or this its display. It gives fonts for the words that are being displayed into a TV screen. So this is a TVout. So I use this TV. So for if you need to use a liquid crystal display, you will see this liquid crystal display, and you can include say library file is LCD. So for me, I use TV, so you can use this TV. On this part you can use anyways, whatever. So this is to include this library is belong to TVout. So also on this board setup, on this part the program will run on so TV.begin. So this TV will begin with 4 120 and the 96. So as you see, and the TV will select the font. The font will be 6x8. Also on this void loop, I need to launch my programs in loop form. So as you see, this TV will print this welcome on horizontal will jump up to lines 40, and on vertical could be at the top, so you will see this word welcome, and the delay with this second. Also your program you can down, as you see, instead of using liquid crystal spray or LCD, you can use this TV.print this TV.clear screen. So this it clear all the data will be found on the screen, so it's clear and it will remain on empty space. So when it clear and it print another word too, and delay up to this, and it clear, and you will see, and it print again Smart Cable Discover Science Office, and delay will be at this. So it clear the screen and it return to welcome to Smart Cable Discover Science. Welcome to Smart Cable Discover Science. Welcome to Smart Cable Discover Science. So this you can use at any project as you need, and you can use your TV screen to be used at any projects and to be display any words you need from your